पात्मानमनन्ते स्वर्गे लोके जेये प्रतितिष्ठति प्रतितिष्ठति यो वा एतामेवं वेदापहत्य पात्मानमनन्ते स्वर्गे लोके जेये प्रतितिष्ठति प्रतितिष्ठति. Verily, he who knows this, having completely destroyed sin, is established in the boundless supreme realm of experience. He is established. Indeed, verily, he who knows this Veda Yova etamevam. Veda knows this. Knows this could refer to what was said in the 8th mantra. Knows this, thank you, ma'am. Knows this can either be referred to the entire, the text, the Kena Upanishad, which has been said. And one who knows this, not in theory and practice. In Vedantic study, there is no difference in theory and practice. If you know it, you must live by it. It must become a part of you. It is wisdom. There is no knowledge and wisdom with reference to the Shastras. You know it, you must live it. If you are not able to live by these values, to that extent you are, where they are very clear, you do not know it. So one who knows this, what is the benefit? What is that assurance? What is the quality control? Completely destroyed sin. Sin here means vasanas. All his vasanas are destroyed. And what is the sign? What is the proof of that vasanas being destroyed? You are established in the boundless supreme realm of experience. Ananta Swarge Loke Patmanam. When the sin, your vasanas, your desires, your agitations are gone, then you are transported into that realm of Swargaloka, the realm of experience, the supreme realm of experience, which is boundless. You can do good by having a bite of bounty every day, which will transport you to the boundless experience. See, only 2-3 people are laughing. Rest all, no reaction at all. Harishji and Rajima are the only people who reacted to that word bounty. Nobody else, everybody were looking at me strangely. What is he talking? Huh? What, Harishji? What did I say? Namaskar, solitaire, don't escape, please. Huh?
The endless bounty of the good things in life.
The only thing Harishji knows is the endless bounty of good things. And what is the endless bounty of good things? Bounty.
Amongst them is the bounty bar.
Amongst them is the bounty bar. The bounty, for those who are not aware, is that bar of chocolates. So I am little distracted from the boundless experience which the Shastras say, which refers to that supreme state. And then the classic. So the classic example given here is the merger of the individual self, the point where the limited becomes the boundless, which is the river merging with the ocean. That's the destruction of the individuality and the becoming of the totality. So one who is established in this, in the wisdom which is contained in the Upanishads, such a person is transported to that boundless state. And then he says, one who reaches that state is established. Pratitishtati, pratitishtati. And when a particular word is repeated twice, that indeed marks the end of a text. This is an Upanishadic, a Vedic style of conclusion of a text. And this marks the wonderful journey of the boundless wisdom of the Kenopanishad. To mark the end, we will chant the first mantra. Only to remind ourselves that it is not the end, but is just the beginning. So let's all chant together once, please. Keneshitam patati preshitam manaha Kenah prana pratama praiti yuktaha Keneshitam vachamimam vadanti Chakshushrotram ka udevo yunakti. It's been indeed a fascinating journey through the text. Now, those of you who have any elements of the mantras, verses you have not understood, you can come back the next session, you can clarify. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.